thank you very much to everybody that's been here today, particularly the kids that have put so much effort into the presentations and the displays that they've made today. It's really, really encouraging to see. My name is Joe Billington. I'm the Deputy Director responsible for the Sustainability and Climate Change Strategy at the Department for Education. And really, really powerful to see the projects that you've shown today and how they combine so many of the aspects of what we're trying to encourage in relation to sustainability and climate change from the Department for Education. At one end of that spectrum, where you're talking about installing solar panels that will help reduce our carbon emissions down to net zero, all the way through the full gamut of activity through into our education and what you're learning about how the climate works, how sustainability is a part of all of our futures. So that's really exciting. The strategy that we are encouraging and pushing through from the Department for Education is about 4 big benefit areas. It is about making sure that young people understand about sustainability, understand the causes and future of climate change, invest in nature, have access to nature and an affinity with nature. And I'm also looking to nature recovery, biodiversity, and managing the risks from climate change that are impinging upon our ability to deliver education and training for young people across the economy. So the projects you've shown us today are fantastic in as much as they reach all of those 4 big benefit areas that our strategy is trying to reach. I'm not going to take you very much longer. I just want to make sure that everybody is aware in this room about some of the support that the Department for Education is able to offer to schools that are seeking to embed sustainability and climate change into their infrastructure and into their curriculum. There is a sustainability support program for schools, and if you search or Google, there are other search engines are available, sustainability support for schools, you'll find a website dedicated to all of the support, the teaching materials, the sustainability plans, the climate change action that you can use in your school to help both your young people understand about sustainability and climate change, and also to help reduce the carbon emissions of your school, encourage biodiversity in your school grounds, and minimize the risk to education. Through that site, you can also access a climate ambassador who can come and help you plan how you are going to embed sustainability and climate change into your school's activity. So please do visit that site and use those facilities available and be part of the National Education Nature Park, where we notionally, virtually bring together all of the school land and the nurseries and the further education colleges and universities across the country into a single virtual park where we're trying to encourage nature recovery, biodiversity, and a commitment to sustainability and minimizing climate change. Thank you very much for all of your time today. It's been tremendously gratifying to see all of your efforts. Thank you very much.